What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to add a flare onto your post on Reddit. Now there are two ways to do this, and I'll be showing you both ways. And I'm on the mobile Reddit app, but it's a very similar process if you're on desktop as well. So obviously you're just going to start it out and open up your Reddit app. And then I'm just going to type out a fake mock post here just for the purposes of this video so that I can show you how to add a flare to it. So I'm just making my post right here, and do keep in mind the community obviously has to have flares on their community in order to add one. And what you're going to do is you're going to see all the way at the bottom of the post, right before you post it, there is a button where you could add flare, and it's going to pull up a menu of all the flares. And keep in mind, like I said, the moderators set the flares for the subreddit. So some Reddit subreddits don't have the flares, so there might not be an option to do those so if there's not any flares. And if you already have a post and want to make a flare onto something you've already posted, hit the three dots in the upper right hand corner of the post, and then four options down there, you're going to see an option to change post flare. You're going to click on that, and then it's going to bring up the same menu that it was just had before, where there's a bunch of different options for your flares. And you can just edit it and then refresh, and it's not going to refresh here for some reason, but if you back out of the post and come back in, then the flare will be there for you. And that's pretty much all there is to it. If you had any questions or were confused at all on how this works, just comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible to help out. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.